So here is the window, and here click on install button. Okay, and select the version here. Here we can see like IBM WebSphere Application Server network deployment. Okay, so network deployment product we are going to install here. So select this version, select the check this checkbox, and here is the version 8.5.0.0. then click on next here. Here license the agreement and click on next. Okay, here we have two options like use existing package group or create new package group. This is my first installation, and that's why it is showing like create new package group as a default. Okay, so if you want to use existing group also we can utilize. This is my first installation and this is my second installation. So I have already installed the package one time. The path is dot slash opt slash IBM WebSphere App Server. So I'm not going to use the same path now. I'm going to create a new path for this installation. So the installation path is App Server 1. Okay, then click on next here. This is language selection. By default English is selected and it is disabled. We cannot modify, and click on next. Click on next. Install. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Mohan, what time you have office?
For me 12.
Okay.
How about
Actually,
you?
okay. Actually, I'm in night shift. Yesterday, I did not go attend the office
Okay.
because of sick. So that's why I woke
Oh,
up early. And otherwise, I would have joined quarter to 7 itself. I'll come
okay, okay,
from
okay.
office by 6:30 morning daily.
Okay, okay. Where you're working?
Atos, Bangalore.
Uh, Bangalore. Okay, okay.
Bangalore, Atos.
Wait, do you have office today also?
Ah, Today
Are
also,
you?
but
Okay.
night shift. Night shift.
Night shift. Okay.
This month night shift. Coming month I'll go by day shift 2 to 11.
Oh, total afternoon shift. Okay.
Afternoon shift. It's rotational.
Okay. It's very difficult.
Uh, but monthly rotational it is fine. Um, people are there, but as per policy they are rotating. So otherwise we have to go on the single shift. Some people are coming dedicated shifts also. They have some
Okay.
other activities also at home and personal
Mhm.
issues. They're coming the same shift. I don't have any problem. No, I'm just going. That's it.
Small favor to me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, tomorrow I have some work.
Hmm.
And I think I won't available in the morning time.
Mm-hmm.
Can we do on Sunday? How about Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday is okay. Saturday and Sunday also okay. No problem. I'm
Uh,
available.
I mean, like I think Vasu mentioned to me like 6 days per week.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah, so, I mean,
Okay, we will take a class on Sunday.
Sunday. Okay,
Mhm.
same time it's okay. Right? If you
Yeah,
want me.
same time. Fine. Same time we will take. Okay.
Okay, and also 6:30 to 7:30.
Okay. 7 or 7:30. Okay. Fine.
7:30 is better. Yeah.
Okay. Sunday now we can sleep till 7:30. Okay. Fine.
Yeah. Now, where you are from? Your proper.
I'm from Guntur.
Oh, good Telugu.
Yeah.
uh, I'm from Vizag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Vasu also was also from Vizag only. This
Yes.
institution.
Yes. Yes.
Currently, you are in Vizag or Bangalore?
Uh, I mean, Singapore.
Oh, USA. Okay.
Singapore.
Singapore. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
The product installation size is 2 GB, 2.8. So around 2.8 disk space it is occupying. So the product files.
Okay.
Product has been installed. Want to see the logs? Just click on this log. Okay.
Few
So
logs.
just click on this log. You can see the installation status here. Okay. So these are all the components are installed. Okay. So these components we cannot understand. We will go and check directly whether the installation is success or not. Okay. Just close this window, and if you observe here we have three radio buttons. That is, first one is profile management tool to create a profile. That means we are the new people, we are learning stage. That's why this window is guiding us with the new step, I mean next step, what we have to do after product installation. And the second option is profile management tool to create application server profile at development environment. This is for developers. Okay. None. Okay. None means we are not going to create any profile. Here I just selected none because profile creation we will create later. Okay. So profile creation we have to create manually because every time we will not get this window. After installation only we will get this window. So if we want to create any profile, just go and create the profile manually, not like this, because we won't get this window every time. Okay, click on next and finish. Now verify the installation is success or not. Okay, close this window. This is not required. Installation is completed. And go to that path, IBM. So under IBM we have WebSphere and WebSphere underscore 1. This is my current installation path. Okay, so in this I can find so many files and directories. So these files and directories is called product files. Okay, so this is the path. So we can say this path is as WAS root. Okay, WebSphere Application Server root. This is the root directory for WAS. OPT IBM WebSphere app server underscore 01. Okay, this is the WAS root. Okay, so go to this was root. Here we have some folders and files to verify the installation is success or not. Here we have a log directory. Go to this logs and open this post installation directory. Okay, so here post installation log file. Open this file. We can see all the information. Okay, so this is the path. So go to the was root and logs and post installation. So in this path open post installation .log file. Okay, so open this file. Here you can see all the product information. Okay, so whether it is installed or not, here we can find out. Okay, so under the below, here the message called install config success. So that means installation has been successful. All the config action run successfully with the run code. Okay, 0 messages. Okay, installation is successful here. Okay, and we will verify which version we have installed. That also we can verify. Then come out of from this path. So these are all the installation directories. So using these product files we will create profiles. Okay, so profile, before going to profile creation, here some important I mean some important directories which we have to know. Okay, so the first one is profile template. That means profile templates are available in this directory. So using this profile template we have to configure profiles. Okay, so whenever we are going to create a profile, the configuration files the profile configuration will be taking from these profile templates. Just open this profile template and we can see the some templates here. Okay, so we have self profile template, Dmgr profile template, managed profile template. Okay, and uh, secure proxy template, management profile template, and default template. Okay, so here self profile template means it contains Dmgr profile and one app server profile with federation. Okay, and Dmgr profile means it's a management profile. We will get Dmgr server for management. Okay, and managed server profile means it contains application server profile. Okay, and secure proxy for security, and management profile means in this profile contains admin agent and job manager. Okay, and default means it contains application server profile. So these are all the profiles available under profile template. So using these templates we are going to create a profile. Okay, then come out of from this window and go to properties. Here is the properties. Okay, go to version. Here we can see the WebLogic server version, platform version. So which version we have installed now. Okay, install. First step. Just execute this command. First step. It is not taking. No such file or directory. Okay, let it be. We'll see later this one. Anyway, it will display the installation, which version we have installed. It will show nothing else in this. Uh,
Okay.
okay, and the next one is Java. In this Java directory, we can see the JDK version of WebSphere
Okay.
Application Server, and uninstall. Using this uninstall folder directory, we can uninstall the product manually. Okay, otherwise we can do uninstall from installation manager also. Okay,
Okay.
and installable apps, that means already we have some default installation apps. By default some apps will be installed along with product installation. Okay, so that application will be saved here. Okay, let's go and verify this installable apps. Copy, paste. So these are all the default applications installed along with product. Okay, so these default applications we don't use, just um, uh, for uh, for managing this application server. So we will use this default applications. We don't touch anything in this. Okay, and the next one is bin directory. So in this bin directory, all executable files available. So these are all executable files under bin directory. Okay, for different purposes. So we will use this startup and shutdown scripts. Okay, so now we will go and create one profile. That is, first we will create a Dmgr profile, then after that a remaining profile also. So for creating the profile, this is the path. So we have to go vas root. Okay, so this is vas root. Go to the bin directory, then profile management. Here is the profile management. Copy and paste here. Okay, and here execute a command. This is the path. Okay, bin directory profile management and execute pmt.sh. Okay, so pmt.sh is the command. See here, pmt.sh. Okay, so if you execute this command, it will open a graphical window. There we can create Dmgr profile. So all profiles are same. The same path we can create all profiles. We have 7 profiles, right? Those 7 profiles we
Yes.
can create from the same command. Okay. So we will create and manage one by one.
Okay.
So this is profile creation wizard window, a graphical window. Here this is the welcome screen. Here profile management tool and configuration migration tools, and here profile management tool, this one. Here there is a button create. Click on create here. Okay, if you observe here we have different profiles. Select the profile here. The first one is cell profile, that means one deployment manager and one application server with federation. Okay, so we will get environment like one DMGR profile for management and application server profile for deploying the application with federation. Okay, and management. So management profile contains again three management profiles. The first one is DMGR profile, second one is admin agent profile, third one is job manager profile. These three profile under this management profile. Okay, and application server profile, nothing but a normal WebSphere application server profile where we used to deploy the applications. And custom profile, here we won't get any servers. This is for admin web server definition. That means we can create web servers under custom profile. And last one is secure proxy. This is configuration only. Here also we will not get any servers. Okay, so now I'm going with management profile first. Click on next here. Under management, again we have three profiles. First one is admin agent, second one is management, third one is job manager. I think you know the difference of these three, right?
Yes, yes.
This is for entire management of WebSphere environment, and admin agent for this is for to manage unfederated application servers. This is for unfederated application servers plus deployment manager. We can manage multiple deployment managers and unfederated multiple application servers also. So I'm going with deployment manager here, then click on next. So typical profile creation and advanced profile creation. If you go with the typical, it will take default settings. Okay,
Oh,
and advanced profile creation means we can choose our own path, we can choose our own port numbers and all. Okay, better
okay.
to go with advanced profile creation because the profile contains so many port numbers. Okay, so we have to see that port numbers, then go with advanced profile creation here. Click on next. Sorry, click on next. So this is the next step. So here deploy administrative console recommended. So along with profile creation, DMGR profile creation, the one application is deploying. That application is nothing but administrative console. Okay, administrative console is going to be installed. Okay, and click on next. This is the profile name, DMGR profile, and this is the path. Okay, earlier we don't have profile directory in this path. In this VAS directory, we don't have profile directory. Now the profile directory is going to be created. Under this profile, DMGR profile is going to be created. So click on next. And here we have to specify the node name. Okay, and localhost host name. We have to specify these details: node name, host name, and cell name. Okay, so here we can modify the node names. Okay, I'm modifying like DMGR node, DMGR node. Okay, host name we cannot modify, that is local host only, and the cell name is modify like DMGR cell, DMGR cell. Okay, modify like this and click on next. Here security, if you want to enable security for starting and stopping servers and opening administrative console, so we can utilize security for this. I'm just enabling this security. Use the username and password. I'm giving was admin is the username and password, was admin, the confirm password was admin. Okay, and click on next. Why next button not enable?
think you're missing one letter, one word.
Okay, password I missed one letter. So now click on next, next, next. So these are all the port numbers, default port numbers. So if you observe here in left side, we have port number description. Okay, so administrative console port number default is 9060. So this is the default port number. In WebSphere we use some port numbers. So port number is very important here. Port number means it is the address or reference of the server. Okay, port number is address or reference of the server. We have port number range is 1 to 65,535. Okay, this is the range. So in this range we can give any number, we can give any number for the servers. Okay, so here I am taking default port numbers because default port number is recommended. Okay, so in this we have lot of port numbers, but we don't use all the port numbers. We use only administrative console port number, that is 9060 we use, and the secure port number for administrative console 9043 we use, and we use soap port connector 8897 soap port connector. Soap means simple object access protocol, which is used for to connect to transfer the data from one server to another server. Okay, these three port numbers we use. Okay, so other port numbers are supported port numbers, we don't use this, no need to remember also, so just remember these three. Okay, and click on next. So run the deployment manager process as a Linux service. If you want to make it as a Linux service, make it. So as of now I am not going to do as a Linux service. Click on next, and this is the profile creation summary. Here we can see the disk space it is taking 30 MB, and the location is this one, and profile name is Dmgr profile, cell name is Dmgr cell, node name is Dmgr node, host name is localhost. Okay, and deploy administrative console is the true, enable security is the true, and these are all the port numbers. Okay, and click on create. It takes around 2-3 minutes. So profile has been created, and click on finish. Okay, and go and verify the profile configuration and close this window. Also here we can see one profile, that is Dmgr profile. Just close this window. Okay, so next go to that path and verify. Go to the profiles. Here we can see only one profile, that is Dmgr profile. Go to this Dmgr profile. So these are all the configuration files for the Dmgr profile. This is the path. Okay, and to check whether the profile has been created or not, for that go to the logs. Not logs, just come out of from this path and go to profiles. Sorry, go to app server bin directory. Okay, here profile management, so go to the properties and open profile registry.xml. Profile registry.xml. Here we can see the one profile has been created. The name is Dmgr profile, path is this one. So here we can check whether the profile is created or not. Okay, suppose if I create application server profile, that will be recorded here and the below. So any profile we can see here. Okay,
Okay.
so the path is this one. Under wasroot properties, go to properties, open profile registry.xml. Okay, so now profile has been created. Now I'm going to start Dmgr server. Okay, so along with profile we will get one server, that is called Dmgr, and I'm going to start the Dmgr profile now. Profiles and Dmgr profile bin directory. Okay, so under bin directory we have startup scripts. Okay, so this is the path under bin directory. To starting Dmgr we have commands. We can start a Dmgr in two ways. First one is start server.sh Dmgr. This is the command. Okay, start server.sh Dmgr. This is the first command. Otherwise, start manager.sh. start manager.sh. So use these two commands. Two commands are same, both are same. Start server.sh space server name dmgr or start manager.sh. Okay, execute this command. It will start a dmgr server. The server is launching now, waiting for initialization status. So every server maintain a process ID. Okay, the process ID is given by operating system. If you start any server, it gives a process ID. So without process ID, the server will not be run. So for stuff, whenever you start the server, it will create the process ID. Whenever you stop the server, the process will be killed automatically.
Ram,
Mohan.
Ram,
Yeah, Mohan.
I'm sorry to say, it's here already 11, 10:45. The office it's 12.
Okay, okay.
I have to rush.
Okay, understood.
Can we do two? Okay.
Yeah, I'm stopping here now. No problem. Okay, now
Yeah,
DMGR. Understood. DMGR is started. This is the port number. Okay.
okay. Process ID, right?
Process ID.
Yeah.
Okay. This is for today. Tomorrow we will create the another profiles, application server profile, custom profile, and different profiles we will create and see. Okay.
Okay. I
Okay.
mean, tomorrow this is Sunday, right?
Yeah, Sunday in the next class.
Yeah, 7:30. Sunday 7:30.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very
Okay.
much. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So okay. Bye.
Yeah.